Did you know over 40% of all Google searches are seeking local information? If your business is not optimized for local SEO, you might be missing out on a huge opportunity to attract customers right in your own neighborhood. Welcome to Boise Web, where we unlock the potential of your online presence. Today, we're glancing into the world of local SEO and how it can quickly enhance your business visibility online. Let's get started. First off, local SEO is all about increasing search visibility for businesses that serve their communities face to face. Whether you're a cafe, law firm, or a retail store, optimizing for local search can lead customers straight to your doorstep. Here's some actionable tips to get you started. First, you need to claim your Google business listing. It's free and it literally puts your business on the map. Make sure your information is accurate, complete, and engaging. Next, optimize for keywords that include your location. Incorporate city or neighborhood names into your website titles, heading, and content to make it relevant for local searches. 3. Gather reviews. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. It not only boosts your credibility, but also improves your search rankings. And 4. Use local business directories. List your business in directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Bing Places to increase your online presence. Implementing these steps can significantly impact your local search rankings, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these local strategies? Drop your experiences or questions in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together. Don't forget to claim your spot on the digital map. Start optimizing today and watch your local customer base expand. For more tips and tricks on boosting your online presence, make sure to follow us on our social media channels and visit our website at Boise Web. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep aiming for the top of those search results. Your local SEO success starts now. Share this video to help others find their way and subscribe for more valuable insights. See you in the next video.